Are you excited?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do?
We want to make something with cornstarch.
Go. One. Wait, Shadi. Wait, your turn. Wait for your turn.
And two.
Okay. We need more, Shadi. We need to scoop more. Okay, two. Okay.
Wow.
Look here.
Two drops.
What color did you choose?
Fix it.
What color did you choose? Look.
What are we gonna glue? Or what we gonna glue?
Wait. You. Mix it. Yeah.
Same colors to share.
Okay. Okay. You can try this one instead.
Making nails. Now what is this? Now what is this?
Scoop.
Scoop it.
Whoa.
Put your cup spoon here. The spatula.
You try to touch it.
No.
That's the point of it. You touch it. You touch it with your fingers. Then you try to squeeze it. Yes! It's slime. You're making slime. You have to touch it. Yeah, you have to touch it with your hand. When you do this,
It's okay.
that's it.
Water your wall. What does it feel like?
I'm not going to touch it.
That's the experiment eh.
Then I don't want to do that.
Let's touch it. Now touch it. Now touch it with you. Okay?
Cornstarch.
Squeeze it. Then it's melting like slime. But when I try to squeeze it, it's solid again. Okay? Let's try to get more. Look, look, look. Squeeze it. Then it's melting again. Magic! You know why? You know why? Why that
Because
happens?
of the cornstarch. It's melting into water.
You'll add more. Look. Look. When I'm touching it, it's liquid. And I try to grab it. Touch it!
You're dead.
Anong ew? Touch it!
That's such an beauty. Touch it. I think that's beauty.
on your own. Okay. Do it on your own if you want to, boy.
Why is your
We just
starch?
whack and we just whack this.
What?
We you poo you. Pee.
Let me see it. Is it like slime, Shati?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh, that's a big scoop. And that's the cheese.
Then puta daw sila mami.
Wak! Plok! Plok! How about you? Can you do that? Can you show me something like that?
Still trying to get a
Okay. Whoa!
That's like strawberry. Like strawberry melting in the sun. Wow. I'm gonna show it to mommy.
Okay.